Since I don't know which way to get this cylinder out, I'm feeling that with the current situation, it probably makes sense to just go ahead and dunk these things back in the can and let them get cleaned a little bit better in the parts cleaner. And then I'll probably rinse them again and try to dry them after that. But for now, I'm thinking that it just makes sense to drop this stuff in the parts washer cans. I've got 2 of them, so I keep them separate, make sure they don't scratch each other up. Had these from the days when I did the old Zenith carbs. I can drop that in there. Let that do its work. And then this one, even maybe more so because I did rinse it in water afterwards. So I'm gonna drop this one in here. Now, there's a bunch of other parts in here that I need to get out. I don't know what the heck they're from. I'm just gonna drop them in the water over here. Headlight parts. Old Zenith gasket. Get some filth underneath my fingernail. Get some serious hand washing after this. But there we go. Good night.